Welcome to Art of Yesh! Everyone wants great hair, but here's the truth. Most people are damaging their own hair every day. The problem isn't genetics, it's habits. First, shampoo doesn't make hair grow. Its only job is cleaning your scalp. Growth happens at the follicle. For better retention, rice water helps. It makes hair smoother, stronger, and shinier. Use it 2 or 3 times a week for about 20 minutes. Next mistake is skipping conditioner. Shampoo removes natural oils. Conditioner brings slip and moisture back. Keep it on the strands, not the scalp. Drying causes hidden damage. Wet hair is weakest, so stop rubbing with a towel. Gently pat dry, and if you blow dry, use cold air. Oils matter too. They seal, not hydrate. Overuse causes buildup. 2 or 3 drops on the ends is enough. If hair is dry or frizzy, use the LOC method to lock moisture. Finally, diet matters most. No protein means weak hair. Eat well, drink water, sleep. There's no magic product, only consistency. Follow this for 30 days.